Good morning to you all, and this is our English language class, and I'm your English teacher Sidra. Today we are going to start our lecture number 35, which is about active and passive voice. You have already done this lecture before, okay, what are active, what are passives, and we have already completed some points also, okay, like we have already done this topic in the bit numbers that I have given you an active sentence and you had to convert it into passive. Now what we are going to do, we will be having some other kind of exercise in it. Okay, see some kind of revision we have right now. An action of a subject in relation to an object is expressed in two ways. Okay, we have already done this, that any action of a subject which is performed by a subject in relation to an object, okay, whatever is the work or action subject is performing to the object, on the object, is always expressed in two ways. But these two ways of expressing action of a subject is known as voices. Okay, we have two kind of voices, two ways we have to express the action of a subject in relation to the object. So these are active and passive. Voices are subdivided into active and passive voice. In active, we learn that what subject does, okay, but in passive we particularly focus on the action, okay, what the action is performed by the subject. Okay, yes, active, the cat killed the mouse, okay, and the passive is the mouse was killed by the cat. Means you have to give the passive of that subject. Muhammad Ammar, you are not supposed to take this class. This is 7B, okay. Today's 4 class lecture is suspended. ठीक है, आज का आपका लेक्चर नहीं कंडक्ट होगा. It is suspended today. Yes, now what we have to do, we have to express our action performed by the subject towards the object in two ways, active and passive. Active is the cat killed the mouse. Now what you have to do in this sentence by changing it into passive, you have to give some changes in this active sentence according to the tense, that it is simple past tense you are looking at there. Okay, it is called the simple past tense because we don't have any helping verb over here, and this is the second form of the verb. Okay, if it could be the third form, okay, it could be the third form, third form भी हो सकती थी because kill की second and third form both are killed, but अगर यहाँ पर has और have होता तो it becomes third form. सहल साहब, दिस इज 7B क्लास. ओके, यू आर ओके. मैं आपकी बात नहीं कर रही, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मोहम्मद अम्मार हु इज आई थिंक फ्रॉम बी 4B or 4A means in any section of 4, and he is taking this class by mistake. I am talking about Muhammad Ammar. I am not talking about you. This is 7th class. ठीक है? Yes. So we have to give some changes over here according to the tense. First rule we have to change. Basic rules for changing active voice into passive voice are: number one is the structure. Okay, the structure will completely reversed. Okay, the structure of the active sentence will completely be reversed in passive voice. Means we have to totally write it in opposite way. Okay, the place of the subject and the object will interchange. In this way we can reverse the structure of active sentence. We first have to apply rule number 1, in which we use the opposite sentence structure. We have to interchange the places of subject and object. Means subject is always come first and object is always at the end. Okay, mostly. So when we will be going to change into passive voice, the object will come first and subject will be at the end. Okay, this is the simple interchanged place of subject and object in passive voice. Now, rule number 2 is only past participle form of the verb will be used. We all know this. Okay, we have to change whatever is the kind, whatever is the form of the verb in the active sentence, we have to convert it into third form, which is past participle form. which is also called third form of the verb. No other form of the verb will be used as a main verb, as can be seen in the example. Okay, what example we have done over here? Okay, see, the mouse was killed by the cat. We have to use this helping verb according to the tense, but always third form will be used over here. Okay, we have converted subject and object. Okay, the cat was the subject, it is coming at the last, and the mouse is the object. We are using it as a subject, which is the first part of the sentence. So we have already reversed the sentence structure, first rule, and the second one is we have used third form here. Okay, now come to rule number 3. The word by will be used before the subject in the passive voice sentence. See what we have done here. See, before the subject putting at the end, we have used preposition by. Okay, before the subject. So this is the third rule, that we have to place by, preposition by, before the subject when we are changing the sentence into passive voice. And the fourth one is the auxiliary verb, helping verb will be changed in the passive voice depending upon the tense in the sentence in its active voice. See, we have simple past tense in the active sentence, so we are going to use this helping verb. Helping verb is always stands in front of the main verb. ठीक है, main verb से हमेशा पहले और उसके before, you can say before the main verb it stands, and it is according to the tense of active sentence. ये simple past है, we have to put simple past helping verb over here, which are was and were, because we are using as a singular. ठीक है, the mouse is singular, so we are going to use simple past tense के helping words are here. SM Mehdi, you are again in by mistake in this class, because today's class of 4 English class is class 4 English is suspended today. Okay, the virtual lecture of class 4 is suspended today. You should leave from here. Okay, this is class 7. This is not class 4. Yes, now we have completed all 4 rules, that we have to reverse the sentence structure first, then we have to use third form of the verb, then we have to use by before the subject, okay, as a preposition over here, and then at last we have to put helping verb before the main verb according to the tense of active sentence. Okay, we have to just learn these 4 rules on our fingertips before we are going to change active passive sentences. Now, see what you are going to do in this. Before we have completed this topic, as we were changing bitwise active into passive, but now we are here change the total paragraph of active voice into passive voice. Okay, आज तक हम क्या करते रहे हैं, that we are given 1 2 3 4 5 sentences, okay, and we change one by one into passive sentences. But today we are going to learn that how to change the whole paragraph of active sentences of active voice into passive voice. ठीक है, हम अब पूरा paragraph, means the topic is same, the formulas are same, the rules are same, okay, the object is same, but before you have done bitwise or sentence wise, now you are going to do the same work with the whole paragraph. अब आप पूरा paragraph active का passive में change करेंगे. Now see the first paragraph, change the active sentences into passive voice. What you have to do, you have to just underline before going to solve it. You have to just underline main active sentences in which you are getting that these sentences must be changed to passive. ठीक है, कुछ sentences ऐसे हैं जो कि change नहीं होंगे into passive. Maybe they are already passive, या फिर वो transitive और intransitive की वजह से they are not going to change into passive voice. We only change ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब सेंटेंसेस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. जो इनट्रांजिटिव वाले वर्ब्स के सेंटेंसेस होते हैं, दे कैन नॉट बी चेंज इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you should know this thing, that only transitive verbs can be changed into passive voice. Intransitive verb sentences cannot be changed into a passive voice. ठीक है, active sentence में we have to just follow this rule first, that you have to change transitive verbs. And what are the transitive verbs? All those in which subject is transferring or परफॉर्मिंग एनी एक्शन टूवर्ड्स द ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है। तो वो हमारे ट्रांजिटिव वर्ड्स होते हैं एंड ट्रांजिटिव वर्ड्स ही पैसिव में चेंज हो सकते हैं, अदरवाइज इन ट्रांजिटिव वर्ड्स को हम पैसिव में चेंज नहीं कर सकते। Clear? Now look at the passage. A suspicious suitcase. This is something about a suspicious suitcase. Suspicious means in which you are in doubt. Anything जो आपको मशकूक लगे means you are having doubt. This bag I am looking. I have been looking this bag at this corner of the road since morning. कि मैं इस बैग को सुबह से यहाँ पड़ा हुआ देख रहा हूँ. This is called a suspicious suitcase. किसी ने शायद उसमें बॉम्ब रख दिया हो, मे बी किसी ने उसके साथ बहुत सारे पैसे हों, वो चोरी करके भाग रहा हो, पुलिस पीछे हो, दैट्स व्हाई ही हैज पुट ओवर देयर, ठीक है, अपनी जान छुड़ाने के लिए उसने वो बैग वहाँ फेंक दिया हो, बाद में उठा कर ले जाए। सो दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग कि आपको किसी चीज़ के बारे में डाउट हो दैट देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग विद दैट थिंग, ठीक है, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो उसके साथ कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड सस्पिशियस। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इन दिस पैराग्राफ अबाउट अ सस्पिशियस सूटकेस। अ किड हु वाज वेटिंग फॉर द बस अलोन. Okay, a kid who was waiting for the bus alone found a suspicious suitcase. Okay, now you have to change from here active sentence into passive. Okay, a kid who was waiting for the bus alone, a boy who was waiting for a bus alone at the corner of the road, he found a suspicious suitcase near a bus station. Now you have to change this sentence which are written in the red color. You have to change these sentences into passive voice. Near a bus station. He did not open the suitcase on the first moment. He took it to the police station, and when the police officer opened the suitcase, it exploded. The kid survived, but the bomb killed the other police officers. Okay, it means that in that suitcase there was a bomb. Okay, so that's why obviously it was a suspicious suitcase. Now, what we are going to do, we have to solve these red colored written sentences into passive voice. Okay, C. A suspicious suitcase was found. Okay, means a suspicious suitcase was found. A kid who was waiting for the bus alone, we have omitted that. Okay, found a suspicious suitcase. Suspicious suitcase को found किया गया means this is the object and object will come first. ठीक है, object will come first and who found it? A kid. It will be going to the end. We have to reverse the whole structure of the sentence. Okay. Now see, a suspicious suitcase was found as it is second form of the verb because with that there is no has and have. ठीक है, no has and have is here. So this is called second form. So we will be using was here. A suspicious suitcase was found near a bus station by a kid. Again we are using the third rule over here which is by before a subject. Subject कौन है? A kid जिसने find out here there is a suspicious suitcase. So the object is coming first, okay, and the subject is going at the end. ठीक है, was found near a bus station by a kid who was waiting for the bus alone. See, we have completed the whole sentence but in a passive voice. Now come to this. He did not open the suitcase on the first moment. So we can see, we can write it like on the first moment. Suspicious suitcase was not opened by him. Okay, did not means this is the simple past tense. So we have to again use was over here. See, the suspicious suitcase wasn't opened by the kid. Okay, on the first moment. Now he took it to the police station, and when the police officer opened the suitcase, see what we have changed over here. He took it to the police station, or it was taken to. Okay, it was taken to the police station. It is also a passive voice कि हम it को पहले कर दें और he को बाद में कर दें. Then was taken will be using as a passive voice verb. So it was taken, or we can also put it same. He took it to the police station, and when the police officer opened the suspicious suitcase, it exploded. ठीक है? Same. The kid survived. The kid survived, but the bomb killed the other police officer. Now, how can we change them? See, the kid survived, but the other police officers were killed by the bomb. Okay, again we have just changed the half of the sentence. The kid survived, but the bomb killed the other police officers or the other police officers were killed by the bomb. ठीक है, the other police officers were killed by the bomb. So first you have all got that you are given a paragraph which have some of the points in active voice and you have to change them into passive voice. So you will collect those points, ठीक है, and you have to underline the active voice which you are going to change into passive. ठीक है, then we will be going to change them. Is there any confusion up till now? Anybody who is still confused about that? कोई ऐसा है जिसको यहाँ तक की बात समझ में ना आई हो? Active passive we have already done. There is nothing okay new. There is nothing new. Only you have to follow the structure according to the sentences. Okay, very good. What, Vanya, what you are not getting from here? Let me know. Okay, I unmute you, then you should tell me. ठीक है? Yes, Vanya. Tell me what is the matter? Why you are not getting this?
मिस मैंने नहीं कहा, वो 4G की वानिया खान है, वो पूछ रही हैं.
Okay, fine. Okay. ठीक है. Okay, it means class 7 students, you are not having any problem. Okay, Vanya Khan, you should leave this lecture. This is not of class 4 lecture. Okay, this is class 7 lecture. Kindly you should leave from here. Okay, now come here at this slide. How to remember active and passive voice. If you can add the phrase by zombies after the verb and it makes sense, the sentence is in passive, means that you are, again they are going to tell you that how you should recognize passive voice. Obviously when there is a preposition by before the subject, okay, before the subject is there a by, okay, it means it is passive voice. If it does not make sense, it is active. Again they are going to tell you about the transitive and intransitive senses. Okay, agar to sense ban raha hai to it is called passive voice. If it is not making any sense तो it means that this is passive voice. ये आपको transitive और intransitive के according explanation दी जा रही है. Example, the store is overrun by zombies. Does it make sense? Yes, it is called passive. He runs by zombies the store. Does it make sense? No, because this is not passive voice, this is an active voice. ठीक है, he runs by zombies the store. No, the store was run by the zombies. ठीक है, or is run by the zombies. So they are telling you the transitive and intransitive way of explaining active and passive voice. Now come here, change the active sentences into passive voice. ठीक है, again you have to change the whole paragraph into passive voice. The title is teenagers arrested. Okay, last week the police officers arrested a 15-year-old boy, ठीक है, who stole a bank in the center of Brasilia. What you have to do, you have to change this green colored sentence into passive. Now come one by one, I'll ask to the students. Okay, they will be telling me. Can you all see the screen? Everybody can see the screen, I hope. Okay, so who will be telling me the answer of this sentence? How can this whole sentence, first sentence, will be changed into passive voice? Last week the police officers arrested a 15-year-old boy who stole a bank in the center of Brasilia. Yes, Shehroz, always. Anybody else? Yes, Aisha Hassan. I'll ask to Aisha Hassan first. Shehroz, next will be yours. Okay, in the next turn I'll be asking to you. Yes, Aisha.
Last week, the 15 years old boy was arrested by the police officers.
Very good. But you have
Stole a bank in the center of Brasilia.
before 15 years old boy, you have to use a, because with this subject, with this object, we are using article a, not the. Okay. Last week, a 15 years old boy was arrested by the police officers who stole a bank in the center of Brasilia. Okay, fine. Yes. C. Arrested by the police officer who stole a bank in the center of the Brazil. And now come to the second sentence. Yes, Sharon. You will give me the answer of second sentence. Yes. Yes, Sharon. I
The
can't.
parents,
Yes.
Mr. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
The parents were contacted by the officers, and they were and this event was surprise, and this event surprised by them very much.
First, so you have changed. It's okay that the parents were contacted by the officers of the
Officers
boy, and this event surprised them very much. They were very
were
surprised
surprised
by
by
this
this
event.
event.
Okay, see, the parents of the guy were contacted and they were very surprised with this event. Okay, now number 3.
Surprised with
Only
this
for number
event.
3. You no, I'll ask to some other person. Yes, Halima. Yes, Halima, can you? Halima, can you give me the reply? Halima, can you hear me? I can't hear you. You have unmuted the mic, but you cannot. I can't hear you. Okay, Ramla, you should reply me for the last sentence. How will we change this active sentence into passive? Yes, Ramla? Yes.
Miss Robinson stayed in prison for 2 days and was just released because his parents paid the bail.
Paid the bail. Now see, Robson stayed in prison for 2 days and was just released because his parents paid the bail.
Paid the
Okay.
bill.
Yes. So what we have to do, we just have to find out some sentences from the active voice. Okay, active voice में से कुछ sentences को हम passive में change करेंगे according to the same structure. Okay, we are not going to do any new thing here. Just for bitwise, we have already done it bitwise. Okay, number wise, and now we will be going to change it in the different way or according to the paragraph. ठीक है? Okay, now these are some presentation questions. Okay, I'm not going to make you write any written work today. ठीक है? Because I am already late from the class. ठीक है ना? मुझे कुछ थोड़ा time लग गया. That's why. And we are just having this lecture. Okay, it's written work. We will be going to do inshallah by tomorrow or maybe some other time. ठीक है? But the main thing is that you have understood the method, that how we have to change the whole paragraph into passive voice from active. ठीक है? Now give me some answers of these questions. Number 1, which verb form is used in passive voice? Okay, I am going to um, ask these questions from the students. Okay, only they will be giving me the reply. ठीक है? Because I mark these presentation points or remarks in my own list. ठीक है, मैं इसको मार्क अपने पास कॉपी डाउन करके रखती हूँ दैट हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर गिविंग मी द रिप्लाई. ठीक है, नाउ नंबर 1 शुड बी रिप्लाइड बाय अब्दुल फौजान. यू आर आस्किंग सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस टू मी. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन दैट यू विल बी रिस्पॉन्डिंग मी फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. अब्दुल फौजान नंबर 1, आसिया नंबर 2. ओके, आसिया will reply me for question number 2, जय कुमार for question number 3. ठीक है, Jay Kumar for question number 3. Ahmad Hassan, you will be giving me the reply of question number 4. ठीक है, Jay Kumar and then Ahmad Hassan, you will be replying me for question number 4. Then I have Saklan, you will give me the answer of number 5. Okay, Saklan, you will give me the answer of number 5. And I really want to request to those students who already know the answers, kindly you should stop writing and giving me the answers, so that the other students to whom I am asking to reply me, they should have a chance, okay, to earn or to gain marks by this presentation questions. Okay, we have already a list, separate list I have made for giving you the remarks and marks about this presentation question slide. ठीक है, मैं हर क्लास के बाद आपकी अटेंडेंस एंड आई ऑल्सो मार्क दीज रिमार्क्स ऑल्सो. ओके, मैं इसकी एक अलग लिस्ट बनाकर अपने पास रखी हूँ, एंड यू आर गोइंग टू have these presentation question marks at the end of the result sheet. ठीक है, आपके सेशन के एंड में जो आपके रिजल्ट कार्ड बनता है, it will be written over there. So I want all those students who are not voluntarily take part in the lecture, they should gain marks by this, so that I will be having the response of not only from the good and fast students, okay, also from the average and the other students also. Yes. So we have some questions and the answers also in the chat box. Yes, answer number 1. But I asked, yes, Jaykumar. मैंने Jaykumar से तो मैंने question किया था. Yes. Number 3, I think it was. Answer number 1 is first form. Jaykumar, you are wrong. In passive voice, we always use third form. Okay? In passive voice, we always use third form. No first form. But I asked you number 3rd question. What happened with the structure while changing active into passive voice? In active voice, we focus on subject, okay, and in passive voice, we focus on object. Okay. Saklan, the test had been taken by him. He has been taken, very good. He has been taken the test. The test, no had been, it will be has been. Okay, tense will not be changed. We are not changing direct into indirect. Okay, we are changing active into passive. Active passive में we only change the form of main verb, not the helping verb. Saklan, you have done a bit mistake. You have made the sentence right, but had been में convert नहीं होगा has been. Has been will be same. ठीक है? He has been taken the test. Now you have to change this sentence. This is already in passive. Okay, has के साथ been है, been के साथ we have third form of the verb. Saklan, are you listening? Saklan, are you with me? See, Afra has made the correct sentence that the test will come first, okay, and he will be going at the end. The test has been taken by him. Okay, again Afra, you have made the mistake because you are changing passive into active. Okay, और active में been नहीं use होता. You should write the test has taken to him. Everybody is making some mistakes. No. But it has been, had been, you people are changing has been into had been. Why you people are changing in has been into had been? No, we don't change this helping verb form, तो हम change ही नहीं करते. We use this helping verb according to the active sentence. Okay, helping verb तो हम according to the active sentence लिखते हैं. We just have to change the passive sentence over here. The test has been taken by him. No. No. Yes, Kainat, you are right. If a sentence in active voice, the subject performs the action. Okay? He has been taken the test. You people are doing a very minor mistake. I bought a cake. Acha, we are talking about number 4. I bought a cake for my friend. Yes, this is called active sentence and you have to change it into passive voice. Question mark मैंने इसलिए put किया that you should give the answer. This is not the question. Okay, you have to change it into passive voice. I bought a cake for my friend. Yes, Muhammad Ali has replied for that. My friend bought a cake by me. No, 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 no. Sanya Salim, a cake. Why you are using has been over here? Is this the sentence of perfect tense? No, why you are using has been? No, Vanya, you are also wrong. Has been तो यूज ही नहीं होगा इसमें. A cake. No, no, Sharoz, you are again using wrong. Is नहीं आएगा. No. The cake was bought by me for my friend. Very good, Halima. Halima has made the perfect answer or passive voice sentence that, see, the sentence is finished over here that we have subject, verb and object. This is the extra part of the sentence. It will be placed as it is, maybe at the end or at the start. It's up to you. But you have to change till here. Okay, you have to change this sentence. ये जो मैंने bracket में enclose कर दिया है, you have to change only this sentence into passive voice. Okay, how will you change it? Now you have to first make the structure reverse. A cake. Again you have to use third form of the verb, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. And what you are going to do before main verb, you have to put helping verb according to the active sentence. This is called simple past sentence and you have to use was or verb over here. A cake was bought by me for my friend. ठीक है? Now I'll see the chat later. Okay, जिसने सही किया है, I'll see the chat later. He has been taking the test. Now give me the reply of this sentence. He has been taking the test. Yes. We have 7 minutes left. The test had been taken by him. No, Asya, why you are changing has been into had been? हम helping verb की forms थोड़ी change करते हैं active passive. The test has been taken by him. No, no. अच्छा, let me know one thing. This is active or passive? Is this active sentence or passive sentence? ये कैसा sentence है? Let me know first. Yes, let me know. Active. Okay. How you can see that it is active? क्योंकि इसमें by नहीं है ना सुमैया? That's why. Sharoz, है ना? हाँ, yes. This is you are doing wrong कि ये active का sentence नहीं है. ठीक है? This is called passive sentence. अच्छा, let me know who take the test. स्टूडेंट से टेस्ट कौन लेता है? स्टूडेंट से टेस्ट कौन लेता है? If I write here, अब कौन सा सेंटेंस है ये? Let me know which sentence it is. Which sentence it is? Now let me know which sentence. Now it become passive sentence. क्यों? मैंने तो कुछ भी नहीं किया, मैंने तो सिर्फ by the teacher लगाया है, which was understood. Okay, I told you, I explained you one thing. When there is the subject which is understood, so sometimes we don't use the subject. Okay, हम कभी-कभी subject जब understood होता है तो we don't use subject in the passive voice. हम उसको object पे लाकर end कर देते हैं. Clear? ये याद है सबको? That I told you that when there is a sentence in which the subject is understood, so we sometimes we can omit the subject from the end of the passive sentence. So I have done same over here, that I have omitted by the teacher from here. So now what you will have to write? The teacher has taken the test. Okay, the teacher has taken the test. He, she, you can write it by your own because I haven't put over there. So the answer will be the teacher has taken the test. Okay, teacher test ले चुकी हैं. Okay, yes. Now have you all understood this, or is there any confusion over here? अभी भी किसी को भी यहाँ कोई confusion है तो they can ask me. No. Okay, everybody is understood? It means if I tried to confuse you, you people have been confused. Okay, मैंने आप लोगों को confuse करना चाहा और आप confuse हो गए. Okay, okay, thank you. No problem, no issue. It's okay. But it's my duty to learn with all the aspects. Okay, to teach you from all the aspects. हर तरह से आपको समझाने की और आपको I should make you able to solve each and every paper sentence. ठीक है, कोई भी आपको पेपर में सेंटेंस आ जाए, so you can solve this by having this learning, by having this lecture. Okay. अच्छा अफरा, yes, obviously, application and letter and paragraph writing or essay writing, they will all be unseen. Even your sentences of do as directed जो हम करते हैं, active passive हो गए, tenses conversion हो गई और translation, they all will be unseen. Okay, everything will be unseen. ठीक है, everything will be unseen in the paper which you are going to have in the future in the midterm exams. Okay. And the paper is about of 50 marks. Okay, and you in literature also, in language also, you are going to give me the to the point answer. Okay, you are instructed over there before each and every question. You are instructed with the note that you have to give the answer in 2 to 3 lines in word one answer, or you have to just put the blanks, objective solve karna hai, whatever. All the instructions are given to you in the paper. Don't get confused, just read the book thoroughly. Okay, वान्या इट्स अप टू द पेपर. आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली, ठीक है, कि मैंने 100 मार्क्स के लिए 100 वर्ड्स का ऐसे दिया है और 50 वर्ड्स का पैराग्राफ दिया है. आई डोंट रिमेंबर दिस राइट नाउ बिकॉज वी हैव मेड बिफोर, आई थिंक 2 to 3 months बिफोर. ठीक है, वी हैव मेड द पेपर और उसके बाद फिर उसमें कुछ चेंजेस भी आई हैं. सो आई डोंट रिमेंबर ऑल द थिंग्स, but you have to consider the instructions what are given to you before solving. Okay, instructions को follow करेंगे. If it is given to you of 100 words, so you have to count the words also. Okay, if you are giving me the whole 2 pages essay, so I'll be not giving you the full marks. मैं उस lengthy या excessive writing की भी marks cutting करूँगी. Okay, 50 marks for both the papers. Okay, language, literature, each paper will be consist of 50 marks question answers. 100 वर्ड्स से ज़्यादा बेटे यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट 110 वर्ड्स. ठीक है, बस इतना डिस्काउंट मैं आपको दे सकती हूँ, नॉट मोर देन दैट. ठीक है, सो यू शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंस्ट्रक्शंस व्हाट आई हैव गिवन टू यू इन द पेपर. ठीक है, उसको फॉलो करते हुए काम करेंगे तो इंशाल्लाह योर मार्क्स विल नॉट बी डिडक्टेड. ठीक है एवरीवन, सॉरी फॉर द इनकन्वीनियंस इन द स्टार्ट ऑफ द लेक्चर बिकॉज आई वॉज अ बिट लेट. ओके, सो थैंक्स ऑल ऑफ यू. इंशाल्लाह वी विल मीट टुमारो. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, and be prepared for the exams. Not learn, you have to read the whole book. Okay, and correct RTCs, whatever is given to you, summaries को अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ लीजिएगा, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को रीड जरूर कर लीजिएगा. ऐसा मत कीजिएगा कि you will not follow the copies. सिर्फ मिसने कहा था बुक उठाइएगा. No, you have to read the book thoroughly and the question answer summaries also. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.